The markets go up and they go down. You decide which way they're going to go. Let's go and have a look at what's happening this week. Let's go and see what's happening with the indexes and the Forex and everything else that's on the go for the week. This is the Germany 30. Looks like it's on the up. Looks like it's heading up in the up direction. Nothing wrong with that on the weekly chart. This is extremely bullish. But if you look at the US 500, there's a little undecided candle. Nobody's sure where it's going to go. That tells me the market's very confused and very unsure of what they're going to say next and who's going to say what in the next week or so. Last week, perhaps earnings season was okay, but now people seem to be incredibly confused. That's a confused candle, but it could also be a turning point, and it could also be signal that it could go down next week. That said, if you look at the Germany 30, definitely looks like it's heading to the upside. This, is it a spinning top? Well, it kind of looks more like a confused candle to me. It looks like people are just unsure whether they're going up or down. If we get an up candle going up on Monday morning, then we're probably looking good for the upside. Very difficult to say. The US dollar, Canadian dollar, I am in that trade. Let's have a look for the weekly and see what we've got. And it's looking very bullish, and I'm very happy about that because I am long on that trade. That should go well. It is above that resistance level, continuing on to the up. But for this to continue on, I probably need the US markets to do well as well. Gold is definitely looking on the upside on the weekly, looking strong, looks like a big green candle, but there is a few sellers coming back into the market there. Got to keep an eye on that because it is stagnating a bit, creating a bit of a flag pattern. These normally resolve to the upside. Not too concerned on that front. Brent crude oil, another trade that I'm in, looking at that, looks very bullish on the weekly, and it even looks very bullish on the daily. Oh, sorry, that was the daily. On the weekly, it looks pretty like it wants to come back. Looks like it's staying bullish, bouncing off that major support line at the bottom and heading on to the upside again. My only worry is it is a little bit below that trend resistance on the weekly, but not a big deal. If you take it back down to the daily, she's definitely looking strong, looking decent on that area. US dollar, Canadian dollar, we've looked at. And of course, we've done that one. Let's have a look at the CHF JPY. CHF JPY also just filtering along here. Tends to look like it wants to fall over, so that's a bit of a concern for the CHF JPY. Let's have a look at the US dollar. What's happening on the Euro US dollar? Euro US dollar on the weekly. Let's just see what we've got. Looking kind of like it wants to come back into that area, take the money, and head on back up. Shall we have a look at Bitcoin? Just by the way, how's Bitcoin doing? For the you guys that trade Bitcoin, look at this on the weekly. Really strong, heading on to the upside. Looks like it wants to continue on up. So Bitcoin is extremely bullish. For those of you who trade Bitcoin, there you go. So that's your trade. That's your thing. I want to put this back on the Euro US dollar. Leave it there. I'm going to put this back for the Monday morning members video. Don't forget, guys, trading is risky. Most traders lose money. And if you don't like losing money, you probably shouldn't be trading. Don't ever forget that. And join us in the members area and get the trade of the day every week. This is the trade of the week. This is a bit of going over for the week, but you could get the daily trades. Join us for the perks and enjoy it. There's loads of perks there. Get involved in that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Join us for the live shows on Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday, 1100 GMT plus 2, and on Thursday, 1400 GMT plus 2. On Thursdays, we have the giveaways where I give away a 2-step 10K challenge account, so you might want to get involved in that. Watch the videos and find out how to get involved in that. Let's say that it's going to be a good week. It's going to be an interesting week. I do think the US 500 should continue on up. I am a little bit worried about spinning tops, but by the same token, it looks more to me like a confused candle. People are not sure which way they're going to go. Don't forget, guys, trading is 50-50. 50-50 is it, no matter what you say. The system can only give you a 50-50 trade. The strategy will make you the money in the markets. The strategy and the business plan is what's going to make you the money in the markets. Don't forget that. Go and watch my other videos to find out how to use that. Go and watch this video and check how you can actually make money in the markets. Thanks for watching this, guys. I hope it helps you for the week. I hope it gives you some insight as to what I'm thinking. I'm thinking bullish week, maybe a good week. Let's see how we go. Let's see if the market makes the money that we're expecting it to make, and then we'll take it from there. Have a good one, guys. Keep your feet on the ground, reach for the sky, and I'll see you through the week. Cheers, ciao, and bye.